Guys, I'm gonna show you all the secrets in Brookhaven, starting with the hospital.
Hospital.
Sorry about this.
Oh, wow!
Here.
Jump. No, don't jump. I know you character don't like ladders.
There's that.
Yes.
Wait, guys.
Lato.
I'll take it a ladder.
No, down. Down.
Sorry about this. My sister's here.
What do you mean? I'm your sister. You're my sister. This is the secret number 1.
Yes. And I'm lagging so much. And I can't jump.
Because your character don't like ladders.
I don't like ladders as well. I'm scared of them.
Can I?
Yes.
I can. I can put some ladders in like.
What the hell?
Oh yeah. I can put ladders like a You boing.
Yes. I mean. Guys, this is the secret number 1. Guys, if you like this, look at this. This is the secret.
So horrifying.
Look at this. Here we go. Look at this. And
what?
And we're here. What is happening there? What the hell?
No, water. No.
Guys, look at this.
Sister. Look. Ew.
Ew. I'm so laggy by the way.
Yeah, there's a stinky
Go.
poop.
I can feel this. Stuck. I'm not stuck, dude.
Can I subscribe?
And guys,
No.
and another secret in the hospital. So guys, in another secret in the hospital, if you are playing hide and seek, you can hide in somewhere and in the X-ray room. I don't know where the X-ray room is. Right? Can you tell me? What's it? Oh, X-ray room. That's so dumb. You can hide here if you want, and nobody could ever find you if you want to play hide. Hey, wait, guys.
You can hide inside there.
So guys, I'm out. Let's go for another plan. Guys, so I will make a part 2, guys, if you want. First, give me to 100 subscribers, okay? This is my first YouTube channel. Guys, if you want to go there and
like and subscribe if you want Godly for my sister.
yeah, like and subscribe if you like Godly for me.